Meaning of heavenward.
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 Heavenward. The word heavenward means in the direction of heaven or towards the sky. It is often used figuratively to describe something that is uplifting or transcendent. The word suggests a sense of aspiration or spiritual longing, and it can be used to describe a physical movement as well as an emotional or mental one. For example, a bird taking flight can be said to soar heavenward, while a person meditating might be said to turn their thoughts heavenward. Overall, heavenward evokes a sense of reaching towards the divine or striving for a higher purpose,